stop blaming your age for weak erections. The truth is, the problem might have started with what you ate just 10 minutes after waking up. Every morning, 9 out of 10 men over 60 fall into the same breakfast trap, and it's quietly destroying circulation to the very part of the body that defines their vitality. Most don't even realize that the first food they eat either opens up blood flow or slowly shuts it down. I'm Dr. Marissa Blake, and for more than 30 years I've helped men restore their health and confidence without pills, injections, or quick fixes. What I've seen again and again is this. Your body desperately wants to send blood to the muscles that support intimacy and strength, but it can only do that if you give it the right tools. And here's the exciting news. Those tools are not locked away in a pharmacy. They're in 5 very specific, simple morning foods. Foods you probably already know, but never realized how powerful they could be for restoring masculine circulation. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are, how they work, and why one of them has been helping men feel results in less than a week. Stay with me, because what you learn here could change not only your mornings, but also your confidence as a man. When men over 60 come into my office, they often sit down with a heavy sigh and say, "Dr. Blake, I guess this is just part of getting older." They believe age alone is the reason their energy, circulation, and erections have weakened. But that's not the full story. Here's what's really happening inside the body. As the years go by, blood vessels naturally stiffen and narrow. This limits the amount of oxygen-rich blood reaching the pelvic region. At the same time, the pelvic floor muscles, small but powerful muscles that support erections, urinary control, and overall stability, don't get the nutrients they need. When they weaken, everything from balance to intimacy begins to decline, and breakfast plays a bigger role than most men realize. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up in a state of repair. It's starving for the vitamins, minerals, and proteins that restore circulation. Yet what do most men choose? Black coffee, a slice of white bread, or a sugary cereal. These foods give a short burst of energy, but rob the arteries of long-term support. The result feels like trying to water a garden with a hose that's kinked. The pressure builds in the wrong places, but the flowers still go dry. This is why legs feel heavy, groins feel numb, and intimacy fades. The good news? With the right morning foods, that kink can be released, and circulation can come alive again. Food 1. Whole eggs, nature's repair kit. If there's one food I wish every man over 60 would rediscover, it's the humble egg. For decades, eggs were unfairly criticized because of cholesterol myths. But science has shifted, and today we know that whole eggs, especially the yolks, are among the most complete, nourishing foods you can eat for circulation and muscle repair. Here's why this matters for you. The yolk contains vitamin D, vitamin B12, choline, and an amino acid called leucine. Leucine is like a construction manager for your body. It signals your muscles to start repairing and rebuilding. And this doesn't just apply to biceps or shoulders. It applies to the deep pelvic floor muscles that support erections, urinary flow, and stability as you walk. When these muscles are weak, blood doesn't stay where it should. But when they're strong and well-fed, they hold blood in place, giving you better function and control. Starting the morning with 2 eggs, whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, provides the raw materials your body is craving after a night of fasting. I've seen men who thought their intimate life was finished regain strength simply by adding eggs back into breakfast. It's not magic, it's biology. When you give your body what it truly needs, it responds, often faster than you expect. Food 2. Oatmeal with chia seeds, the artery cleaner. When I ask older men what they usually eat for breakfast, I often hear, just coffee, maybe a pastry. That might give a quick jolt of energy, but it does nothing for the arteries that deliver blood where it matters most. What the body truly needs is fiber and circulation-friendly nutrients. And that's where oatmeal with chia seeds becomes a powerhouse combination. Oatmeal contains a special fiber called beta-glucan. Think of it as a gentle scrub brush for your blood vessels. It binds to excess cholesterol and helps clean the walls of your arteries, leaving more space for oxygen-rich blood to flow smoothly. For men over 60, whose arteries often narrow with age, this is essential. Then, add chia seeds, and you get even more benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and potassium. Together, they relax blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support strong, steady blood flow. It's like giving your circulatory system a fresh coat of oil, keeping everything moving without friction. One of my patients, Henry, swapped his sugary cereal for oatmeal, topped with chia seeds, a few berries, and cinnamon. Within weeks, he noticed lighter legs, more energy in the mornings, and, to his surprise, stronger function in the bedroom. Sometimes the simplest changes make the biggest difference. Food 3. Watermelon, the bedroom fruit. Most men think of watermelon as nothing more than a sweet summer snack, but hidden inside this fruit is one of nature's most powerful tools for blood flow. The secret lies in an amino acid called citrulline, found in high amounts in watermelon. Here's how it works. Once you eat watermelon, citrulline turns into another compound called arginine. Arginine then boosts nitric oxide, a molecule that acts like a key, unlocking blood vessels so they can widen and carry more blood. This is the same pathway that popular erectile dysfunction medications use. But in this case, it's fueled by food, not pharmaceuticals. The results can come surprisingly fast. I've had men tell me they noticed more sensitivity, stronger morning erections, and improved energy within just a week of eating a few slices daily. And here's an insider tip. The white rind that most people throw away is actually the richest source of citrulline. Blend it into a smoothie, and you've doubled the benefits without adding extra sugar. One patient, Bill, laughed when I suggested eating watermelon for breakfast. But 2 weeks later, he called and said, "Doc, something's definitely waking up down there." That's the power of nitric oxide. Sometimes the simplest foods can spark the biggest changes. Food 4. Steamed sweet potato with Celtic salt, the circulation stabilizer. This one often surprises men when I recommend it. A simple steamed sweet potato with a pinch of Celtic sea salt. At first glance, it doesn't sound like a man's food for circulation. But when you understand the biology of mornings, it makes perfect sense. After 7 or 8 hours without food, your body wakes up running on empty. Muscles need glycogen, a steady form of energy. Blood vessels need minerals to contract and relax properly. And your nervous system needs balance to fire signals smoothly. A sweet potato with unrefined sea salt provides all three. Sweet potatoes deliver slow-releasing, complex carbohydrates. They fuel your muscles without spiking blood sugar, keeping energy stable instead of crashing mid-morning. Celtic sea salt, unlike processed table salt, contains over 80 trace minerals. These help regulate nerve impulses, muscle contractions, and blood pressure, all crucial for pelvic circulation and sensitivity. One of my patients, Thomas, came to me at 70, complaining of heavy, numb legs and an ache in his groin. Nothing had worked for him. I suggested this simple morning change: half a steamed sweet potato, a sprinkle of Celtic salt, and a glass of warm water. Within days, he noticed lighter legs and more energy rising from the ground up. Sometimes, balance is the key, and this breakfast does exactly that. Food 5. The immediate action food, a simple morning starter. By now you've seen how powerful specific foods can be for circulation, but I want to give you one more tool, a simple, practical choice you can begin tomorrow without effort. A glass of warm water with a squeeze of fresh lemon before anything else. It sounds almost too simple, but this habit wakes up your digestive system, hydrates your cells, and primes your blood vessels to open. The lemon provides vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that strengthens blood vessel walls and supports nitric oxide production. And the hydration alone helps your blood move more freely, like adding fresh oil to an engine before starting it. For men over 60, dehydration is a hidden enemy. It thickens the blood, reduces circulation, and leaves muscles sluggish. By beginning with water and lemon, you're setting the stage for the other foods: eggs, oatmeal, watermelon, or sweet potato, to do their job more effectively. One of my patients, Gerald, was skeptical. He said, "Doc, how could water change anything?" But after a few weeks of starting every day with warm lemon water, he noticed clearer energy, lighter mornings, and more responsiveness downstairs. Small changes can act as the spark that lights the fire. This one costs almost nothing, but can change everything. Each of these foods on its own has powerful effects, but when you bring them together, that's when the real magic happens. Think of it like building a strong house. Eggs provide the bricks, protein and amino acids that repair and rebuild muscle, especially the pelvic floor. Oatmeal with chia seeds acts as the plumbing crew, clearing out the pipes and making sure blood can flow freely. Watermelon functions as the electrician, turning on the nitric oxide switch that signals vessels to open. Sweet potatoes with Celtic salt lay the foundation, balancing minerals and energy so everything stands firm. And lemon water sets the stage, like turning on the lights so the workers can get started. When you combine these foods into your morning routine, you're not just treating symptoms. You're addressing the root causes of weak circulation, stiff arteries, nutrient deficiencies, muscle weakness, and poor hydration. Together, they restore balance, improve oxygen delivery, and support the very systems that make a man feel alive. This is why men who commit to these foods notice not just one improvement, but many. Lighter steps, more energy, clearer mornings, and stronger intimacy. The synergy is what makes the difference. If this message is resonating with you so far, I want to pause for just a moment. These videos are made for men like you, men who want to keep their strength, their circulation, and their confidence well into their 60s, 70s, and beyond. If you're finding value here, please click the like button. It helps more men discover this life-changing information. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next tip designed to keep your body and mind strong. Finally, share in the comments where you're watching from. I love knowing the community we're building together. Now that you know the 5 morning foods, I want you to take one small step within the next 24 hours. Not tomorrow, not next week. Tomorrow morning. Pick just one of these foods and make it part of your breakfast. It could be 2 whole eggs, scrambled or boiled. It could be a warm bowl of oatmeal with a spoonful of chia seeds. It could even be a couple of slices of watermelon before your coffee. The point isn't to be perfect. The point is to start. When you give your body proper fuel in that first hour after waking, you send a powerful message. You're telling your blood vessels to open. You're telling your muscles it's time to repair. And you're reminding your body that it still knows how to perform. If you stay consistent, in just a few days, you may notice lighter legs, more warmth in your groin, more energy when you walk, and greater confidence when it matters most. That's how fast the body can respond when it finally gets the right tools. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is tomorrow morning, and it starts with one simple choice. We've covered a lot today. You've learned that weak circulation and fading confidence are not simply the price of getting older. They're the result of years of missed opportunities to nourish your body where it matters most. And now, you know the tools to change that story. 5 simple foods: whole eggs, oatmeal with chia seeds, watermelon, sweet potatoes with Celtic salt, and warm lemon water. Each one works on a different part of your body's system, but together, they create a powerful morning routine that supports blood flow, repairs muscle, restores energy, and reignites intimacy. Remember, aging doesn't steal your strength. What really steals it is the belief that nothing can be done. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s turn things around once they started making these changes. It's never too late, unless you decide to give up. So here's my challenge to you. Tomorrow morning, reclaim your breakfast. Choose one of these foods. Let your body feel the difference, and then stay with it, because momentum builds fast. If this video opened your eyes, click the like button so more men can find this message. Subscribe for more natural, practical health advice. And share this with a brother, a father, or a friend who needs to hear that hope is still possible. This is Dr. Marissa Blake reminding you, your next act starts at breakfast.